today I'm going to show you how to make this cool bracelet. So first you grab your band, whichever colors you want to make. I just want to make a rainbow. Grab, you stretch it, make an 8. Do it with these 3 colors. I mean not colors, these 3 pegs. 6 pegs. But I mean like 3 on each side. There. You push them down, grab 2 bands, but don't put them together, just use one. Stretch it out, pull, drop it, no weights. Stretch out, drop it. Then you turn your monster tail this way, grab the bottom band, loop it, over, drop it. Do the middle too, over, drop it, over, drop it. Turn it around, grab it, over, drop it. Grab it, over, drop it. Grab it, over, drop it. Now you may push down and restart these steps. Over here, grab it. You don't make 8s anymore though. We have no more 8s in this video. Grab it, drop it. Grab it, push down, drop it. Make sure that there's only one at a time. So you grab these, put them over the black ones if you're using the same colors I am. Grab them, drop it. There. Now I only have orange, and then I may put black again. Like black. Then I go over here, grab it, drop it, grab it, drop it, grab it, drop it, turn it around, grab it, drop it, grab it, drop it, grab it, drop it. Push down through here. Eventually I start growing. So I grab my next colors, yellow, push down, push down, push down, grab the bottom black, go over, drop it, grab the bottom black, go over, drop it, go over, drop it, go over, drop it. You're just repeating the steps that go like this, that you go first these 3, then these 3 again, but make sure you do these 3, then hook it all up, and then these 2, and then hook it all up, and then these 3, and then hook it all up, and then these 2, hook it all up, and you keep on repeating that step till your bracelet reaches desired length for it to fit you. So you grab, put, grab, put, grab these, put it over, grab it, put it over, grab it, put it over, turn over the monster tail, grab it, put it over, grab it, put it over, grab it, put it over, there. You push down, and then you restart again doing these. So I grab my 3. This is the last one I'll be doing with you guys, and then I'm going to finish off my bracelet off camera. And I'm just going to continue using these steps. No changing it, just keep on using the steps. First you do the 3, then you 3, 2, 3, 2. Keep on doing that, and then keep on hooking it every time you get one extra. Every time you add a layer, you hook another layer, and then it's gonna start coming out through the bottom over here. See you guys when your bracelet is long enough, and then I'll see you guys to hook it, to show you how to hook it. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. For this part, you will need one clip, just one. So let's I'm gonna show you how to hook it. So be careful, don't drop it. It's really hard to fix if you do. So you grab this one. Wait, put it back. What we're basically gonna do is put this one to this one, and this one to this one, and this one to this one, and this one to this one, okay? So grab this one, put it on. Careful. These bands are really hard to fix if you let it go. If you do let it go, no pressure. You might be able to use a different band as a disguise and make it be able to work, or it might not. You might have to restart. There. So you have this. Now there's 3 here and 3 here. So you grab another band. It can be any color you want. Actually, I'm going to use a black band. Yeah. You grab it, put it over here. There. Out of the extra. Then you grab all the 3 from the bottom. Push this down. I'm afraid it's going to fall. And put them all over. Grab all 3, just the 3, not the bottom one that we just put, and over. There. Now you may carefully, this step it takes very carefully, grab the band, put it over here. There, now you only have 2 here, and this is where you grab your clip, put it on here, and then push it down till they're both clipped on there. Then feel safe to grab it and take it out. You have it there. Then you can grab the other end, which are these 2, and push this on this side, grab these 2, hook it on there, and done. You have your bracelet. I hope this video helped you guys make a new bracelet. It's a super easy but looks really cool bracelet. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye!